In a dense forest, there lived a kind tiger. His name was Dayanand. Not as fierce as other tigers, he was soft hearted, gentle, and a little more kind. He never harmed anyone, but instead helped everyone in the forest. Tiger in a serious but gentle voice. This forest is my home, my family. I want everyone to live in peace. No one harms anyone, everyone lives well together. If I, even as a tiger, cannot maintain peace, then what is the meaning of power? Fox smiling slyly. Yes, yes, Maharaj. Your kindness flows like the Ganges. But in this forest, everyone does not survive with kindness. A little cunning, a little intelligence is also needed. Tiger smiling. Chaturmani, I know your intelligence. But only if you use all your intelligence for good, then there will be peace. I want my forest to be a forest of joy and cooperation. Donkey shouting, Oh father, is anyone there? The bell hanging around my neck has broken. Now, if the tiger hears it, he will think I am calling for food. Tiger running up. What happened, Bokanand? Why did you have a bell around your neck? Donkey crying. Your Majesty, I was a farmer's donkey. They used to say that I walk slowly, so they tied a bell to me. I ran away, but the bell fell into the river. Now, if anyone hears it, they will think I am a thief donkey. Tiger compassionately. Don't be afraid, Bokanand. No one insults anyone here. This forest is your home too. And if there is no bell, it will be good, you can sleep in peace. Donkey laughing. True, Your Majesty, even though you are a tiger, you are a human at heart. I have heard all my life that tigers eat, but you only give love. Fox whispering under a separate tree. This kind tiger, everyone loves him. But if I can spoil his name, then I will be the leader of the jungle. Ha ha ha. Parrot me too hears from the sky. This fox is making some noise. He is trying to trap the kind tiger. I have to inform the king quickly. Monkey took a jumping up the tree. Your Majesty, Your Majesty. The fox was saying this morning by the river that you steal honey. The whole forest heard it. Tiger startled. What are you saying, Tuke? I didn't take anything from anyone. Fox with a fake smile. Hey, Your Majesty, I was just joking. What's the harm in everyone laughing a little? Tiger serious. Chaturmani, it is very wrong to ruin someone's honor in the name of laughter. If you want friendship, then come honestly, not through lies. Fox quietly. Your Majesty, I made a mistake. I did not understand a kind tiger like you. I thought kindness meant weakness. But today I understood that kindness is actually the greatest strength. Villagers arriving in the forest. Look, the tiger has come. Everyone, hold your sticks. Tiger calmly. Don't be afraid, people. I will not harm you. I will not destroy your crops, but I will guard you at night. You just don't cut our trees. The forest is our home. Villagers emotionally. No tiger has ever said such a thing. We have made a mistake. You are a kind king. We will protect the forest, I promise. Parrot me too. Look everyone, kindness is never weakness. Kindness means courage, compassion and strength. Donkey with a serious face. I was a fool, I thought tiger meant fear. Now I understand, tiger can be kind, human can be violent. Tiger at the end. Real strength comes from kindness. Forest, human, animals, only when everyone is together will the world be beautiful. Motto: kindness is never weakness, it is the greatest strength of man. The world survives with love and cooperation.